Plays 8, 9 and 10 continue on from each other, so we're going to do them as one block. The 8th play is on folio 28 verso, 9 and 10 are on 29 recto. So, from the crossing, I'm going to smash my crossguard up underneath Jessica's hands. It's very nasty. And having sort of beaten her up and out of the way, get in and control the arms, and then give her a good dose of cuts and thrusts. So the 8th play is this entry. Now, with these vestigial things, what are they called again?
Schild.
Yeah, German.
Yeah.
German. Yeah, with these German style swords, it kind of makes it harder for me to get all the way underneath for some reason. Okay? But you should be basically sticking your crossguard between the hands. Breaking her thumb would be lovely, and getting them up and out the way. Okay? And it should be done with some unpleasant force, but amongst friends. Up it goes, then wrap here gets you to the 9th play, and the takedown, you throw the sword to the neck, and you're going to step through in this direction, and it's horrible, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So here we are crossed at the middle of the swords in Stretto. I smash the hands up, wrap her up, smack, 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 stab, 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 throw the sword to her neck, and takedown. You'd think the takedown would be unnecessary at this point, but clearly Fiore has a point to make. The illustration of the throw, i.e. the 10th play, actually looks like this, which clearly there's a problem, because this sword does not magically go all the way through my torso to get from one side of me to the other for me to do the throw on the other side. So what I believe is happening is from here, as I smash those hands up, I got to the outside instead of to the inside. So I'd control the elbow, smack, smack, do the thing, and then throw the sword to the neck and step through like so. Going up the inside gives me play 8, 9th play, smack, 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 stab, and finally 10th play through here. Isn't that nice? Mm-hmm. Or 8th play, now the 9th play looks wrong, but the 10th play looks like the pictures. So you either go up the inside or the outside, depending on what you get when you smash those hands up. If you're left-handed, okay, however we've come to the crossing, I can smash that crossguard up underneath. It's nasty, isn't it?
It's really worse on this side.
Yeah. Now, you're very unlikely to get a wrap, but you can push the elbow, do the things, and there's your throw. I would tend to do the throw under the jaw. You can wrap that all the way around and take it down this way, and of course the feet could well be this way around. If I end up on the other side, so here, smash, smash, smash underneath there, and we end up on this side, I could now, because I can get both arms quite easily, I can actually get the wrap here. Again, though, I don't really like it because the sword hand is kind of free. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so, I mean, it's better than nothing. And the throw from here is going to be a little bit awkward, but you throw that to the thing, and then you have to get your feet out of the way to step through. Yeah, and you would go down from here, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, cross-handed, it's a little bit awkward, but that is always the case when we're looking at that inside wrap.